Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Icarus earrings. Now, these lovely earrings feature some bird beads from Raven's Journey here. I also have some connectors in that beautiful sun spray. I'm going to be using 2 head pins and, of course, 2 earring hooks. Now, to complete this, we're going to need a pair of round nose pliers. We're going to need our flush cutters and a pair of chain nose pliers. So if you've got everything ready to go, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our head pin here and we're going to slide our little bird bead on here. Now we want to make sure that his feet are facing down, and then we can come in with our round nose pliers here and grip right above the bead, give it a little gentle twist, and then we're going to wrap that wire up and over the top, bring our wire around, and create a simple wire loop. And just come in with your flush cutters and just snip that off. All right, and now we can just open up that loop, slip on our little sun. There we go. And just sneak your pliers back in there and close that loop up. So we have that so far. All right, and then as our final step, we're going to open up our ear wire here. Just give it a little tiny twist. We don't need too much. But because we have our ball on the end of this particular style, what we're going to do is we're going to thread this up and over so that it sits right into that little notch, just like so. And then go ahead and close that up. So we have one earring completed. Now let's go ahead and move on to our second one here. So you'll get to see this all over again. Again, slide it on, feet down, come in with your round nose pliers, go ahead and kick that back, and just wrap it up and over the top of your pliers. Bring that around, come in with your flush cutters there, snip off that little wire, and go ahead and give the little twist to open it up. And we're going to add on our sun. Close that up. Come to our earring hook here again. Open it just a little bit to the side. We don't want to open it out. That'll hurt the metal a little bit. And just slide that all the way down there. And close that up. So we have our beautiful pair of earrings all finished. So that is it. That is how easy it is to create the Icarus earrings. We have lots of different colors here of those beads. You can also choose to use your own bead as well to create your own style. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can get all of these supplies and see even more tutorial videos by heading over to beadaholique.com. And if you're new to our YouTube channel here, be sure to hit that subscribe button below to get all the latest from Beadaholique.